So this question says, fill in the table below to match each statement with one of the expressions given above. Okay, now these are called expressions. If we had something like 6c plus 3 equals 9, that would be called an equation because we've got an equal sign. Okay, so this is just an expression. Now it's got two terms. We've got a number and a letter term. And then this one, which is just a number term, so it hasn't got any letters. Lots of people want to try and simplify this by doing something like 6c plus 3 is equal to 9c. Cross that out. Now that's not correct because you can only simplify what's called like terms. So you can do 6c plus 3c is 9c. So that works. That's perfectly correct. But that is incorrect because this is a term that's got c in it and that's just a number term, so they are not the same. They're not like, so they can't be simplified or collected together. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to look at each of these expressions and then we're going to see which statement fits these. So first statement, it says 3 times a number c. So 3 times something. So 3 lots of c. Now in algebra, we're very, very lazy and we don't like to write down this multiplication sign. So this would just be expressed as 3c. So is that anywhere on there? Yes, it is. It's over here. So the expression which matches this statement is 3c. This one now then. Add 3 to a number c. So this time we're not multiplying. That one was multiplying. This time it says add 3 to a number c. So I'm going to start on c and I'm going to add on 3. And then multiply this total by 6. So that means I've got to multiply this whole thing by 6. Now we know our rules of BODMAS, okay? Rules of BODMAS say that we would do the multiplication first. So I need to do something to this part, which would mean that I total this bit before the multiplication. So that would be to put it in brackets. So can we see that anyway? Fantastic. 6 open bracket c plus 3. Could I have had, for this one, 3 plus c all times by 6? Yes, I can, because it doesn't matter when you're adding what order it comes in. Taking away is where you need to make sure you've got the order spot on. Third statement, 3 times a number c. Okay, well, we know that 3 times a number c is 3c. So that's 3c. And then add 6. So plus 6. Is that one up there? Let's have a look. Yes, it is. So that's 3c plus 6. Last one. Add 3 to a number c. So we're going to have c plus 3. Then divide this total by 6. So I'm going to divide the whole total by 6, which should just be like that. Is that anywhere? Yes, it is. C plus 3 divided by 6.